Welcome to the 32nd International Epilepsy Congress. I'm glad to tell you that this is going to be the largest international congress that we had in the last 6 years.
I'm representing the European Parliament MEP Advocacy Group, and it's really bringing together about 40 or 50 MEPs across the European Parliament who are really committed to the epilepsy issue, to trying to get more work done, better treatments, better medicine, and more importantly, collaborate on research across the globe.
It was great to have the 2017 classification of seizures and epilepsies as the main topic of the Presidential Symposium. The way we classify seizures, epilepsies, and the terminology that we use is extremely important not only for professionals, but also for our constituency overall, including patients, caregivers, and the lay public.
There are a number of sessions on precision medicine, much of which involves genetics, and this is clearly a way that the field is going to move in the next few years. So there were genetic studies presented from many centres around the world, and it's great to see the new technologies of genetics being adopted in many countries.
The session on epileptic encephalopathies about the concept and the syndromes was really interesting because the etiologies are exploding and expanding, and we can apply more and more precision medicine aiming to give the better treatment for these patients.
Lots of new information, especially from Europe, because I'm from the US, so hope to collaborate on projects.
The wonderful thing about the International Epilepsy Congress is the true range of individuals that are here from very different parts of the world. And many people who you've met before, you can meet, you can network with, and they have so many questions, which it is really a privilege to be able to discuss and really address some of the issues that they find important.
Just had our session about cannabinoids in epilepsy treatment, and I think several key points were addressed, especially the historical role of cannabis in neurological diseases, its morphology, its mechanism of action through the endocannabinoid system, the adverse effects. Some cannabinoids, such as cannabidiol, do have a definite role in epilepsy treatments.
The main aim of my talk was, in addition to showing the advantages of using CBD-enriched oil in treatment of epilepsy and its effect, its positive effects, that we as a medical community have to take the responsibility and direct the usage of CBD-enriched oil and cannabis extracts in a patient's epilepsy, and not allow the parents and patients to go into the street and use it in an irresponsible way.
I've been coming to International League Against Epilepsy congresses since 1973. I don't think I missed one. Dealing with epilepsy is very different in different parts of the world. Some of the work we do is very applicable, other is not, because there are resource-poor countries that cannot afford the methods we develop, and we have to think about epilepsy in other ways as well.
I really enjoyed this meeting. It's been a great opportunity to catch up with cutting-edge technology and to know the new innovations in our field.
So by attending this, I learned a lot of clinical aspect of the epilepsy.
It's such an excellent congress. We enjoyed meeting new friends, new colleagues, and also meeting up with our old colleagues. And see you in Bangkok.